Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Fab 50s. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you a great facial massage for the neck and also the face to really help transform your skin before the end of the new year. We're also going to be doing some lymphatic drainage at the end as well. We're going to help boost collagen, elastin, and also help with glowing skin and reducing those fine lines and wrinkles. Now, first things first, I do like to start off with clean skin, and I am using a facial oil here. If you have a facial oil or a face cream, that's fine. I personally do prefer an oil because you get a bit more of a slip and glide, and obviously having older skin, you don't want to be adding any more of those wrinkles and pulling and dragging. So I'm just applying the oil with my fingers here, and then just very lightly all along the facial area and also the neck. Now you can do this morning or evening, or you could do this morning and evening if you have a day or night cream that could also be useful. So starting with our collarbone, just above our collarbone we have some indentations, and I'm just giving those a few gentle presses. And then I'm going to work in an upwards motion, doing some very gentle facial tapping. Now what we're doing here, we're helping with blood flow and circulation to the area. And I like to work nice and light. The skin on the neck is very fine. And then under the chin, and then head towards the ears along the jawline, just gently tapping. And then the chin area, and then again working along the jawline in an outwards motion towards the ears. And then lower part of the face, and then just above the cheekbones here. Now when it comes to the eye area, the skin around the eyes is very fine and delicate, so I tend to use a ring finger here. So just gently tapping between the eyes, working along the bone under the eyes, and then towards the temples. And then just upwards motion along the forehead. So once we've done that, I'm going to start with the collarbone here. And with the flat of the hand, I'm just very gently lifting in an upwards motion from the collarbone towards the chin and the jawline area. And whatever product you've placed onto your skin is going to penetrate in even better and deeper. And then working on the other side. And then placing a thumb under the chin, fingers above. I'm just gently massaging now in a nice light circular motion. And then with the thumbs placed under the chin, fingers above, I'm lifting upwards, under the cheekbones and under towards the ears. So lifting upwards towards the nose, under the cheekbones, towards the ears. This is a light to medium touch. And then with the fingers just gliding outwards. Lower part of the face, and then on the other side. Again, I don't like to drag the skin, so being nice and light. And then with the ring finger gliding under the eyes towards the temples, but also incorporating the higher part of the cheek, if you like, the top part of the cheek. And then just under the eyebrow, very light, delicate. Skin here is extremely fine. And then above the eyebrows. And then with the fingers just gliding upwards motion towards the hairline. Again, this is nice and light. And then with the fingers, I'm just now interlocking them and gliding on the forehead here. obviously depending on what part of the world you live in. We're coming into winter. Well, we are coming into winter here. So obviously you tend to use sort of thicker creams and maybe thicker oils. Whereas if you're on the other side of the world and you're in a country where it's very hot, obviously you may want something slightly lighter to place onto your skin when you're doing these massage techniques. And what we're doing here, we're also moving toxins and waste within the lymph. And this is very close to the surface of the skin, so just very gently working in outwards motion, feather-like touch. And then lower part of the face. Moving everything across. And then thumb and under the chin, fingers above where the jawline is, and moving along where we have plenty of lymph nodes. So moving all that toxins and waste. This will also help with glowing skin. And then if you can take your fingers, place them into a V shape, and perhaps some fingers in front and some fingers behind, and just gently glide down either side of the ear, where again we have plenty of lymph nodes, and then down the big SEM muscle here, either side of the neck, down towards the collarbone. Again, I always want to swallow when I get to this part, when you feel things moving around. And then from the chin all the way down where our collarbone is, just above, we have some indentations. So I like to just give those a few gentle presses, and this will release all the toxins and waste we've moved within this facial massage and lymphatic drainage into the body, ready for elimination. So I hope you enjoy today's video, and honestly, if you do this once or twice a day with a really great facial oil or one of your favorite face creams, you'll really find a difference in the skin. And so then you'll be starting the new year nice and fresh and slightly ahead of everybody else. So I will leave another video in the corner here. If you'd like to join me there, that'd be great. Please consider subscribing for more content, and a thumbs up, and comment down below. Tell me where you're from, and if there's any other facial massage exercises you'd like me to share with you, and lymphatic drainage. Okay, bye.